You need to hear this if you're a solo traveler. Traveling alone can be one of the most exhilarating experiences of your life, but it also requires some careful planning and packing. Let's talk ultimate packing hacks to make your trip a breeze. Whether you're heading to a bustling city or a remote village, these tips will ensure you're prepared for anything. First things first, don't forget those travel documents. They are the backbone of your journey. Passport, visas, and travel insurance are your golden tickets. Without them, your adventure could come to a screeching halt. And pro tip, pack extra digital copies. It's a lifesaver if something goes missing. Store them on your phone and in the cloud for easy access. Now, onto the carry-on noise-canceling headphones for peace, especially during long flights or noisy layovers, and a portable charger for power because the last thing you want is a dead phone when you need it most. And a reusable water bottle because airport prices are wild. Plus, staying hydrated is key to feeling great on your travels. Remember, pack smart, not heavy. Overpacking can weigh you down and make your journey less enjoyable. Gear up with packing cubes and a multi-compartment backpack. These tools help you stay organized and make it easy to find what you need. You'll feel like a packing genius. Safety gadgets, a must. They provide peace of mind and can be crucial in unfamiliar places. Portable door locks and luggage locks make a world of difference. They add an extra layer of security to your accommodations and belongings. And don't forget to roll your clothes. Save space and dodge wrinkles. This method also makes it easier to see everything in your suitcase. Comfy shoes are non-negotiable for all that exploring. Whether you're hiking, sightseeing, or just walking around, your feet will thank you. Tech essentials, universal travel adapter, and a local SIM card or Wi-Fi hotspot. These keep your devices charged and you connected to the world. Stay connected without breaking the bank. Research the best options for your destination to avoid hefty roaming charges. That's your ultimate packing guide for solo travel. With these tips, you'll be ready for anything that comes your way. Pack light, travel smart, and let the adventure begin. Embrace the freedom and excitement of solo travel. Hit like and subscribe for more travel tips. We're here to help you make the most of your journeys. Safe travels and happy adventures. May your solo trips be filled with unforgettable memories and new discoveries.